Here we are on the ninth Wednesday night session of the season. I've done some calculating, and I've decided to increase a couple of my end-of-season goals. I'm increasing my combined league average goal from 200 to 208, and I'm increasing my strike percentage goal from 50 to 55%. Hopefully, I'll be looking to increase the combined league average goal again at the end of the second quarter, but I feel like 208 gives me something to strive for without it being too difficult for me to achieve. In regards to my strike percentage goal, I'm simply looking to maintain what I've been able to achieve so far. I'm not changing either of my spare goals. Therefore, I need to do a better job of making single pin spares in order for me to reach that goal by the end of the second quarter. Game 1 got off to a great start. I feel like my first 8 frames should have been strikes though. Somehow the flying messenger didn't take out the 10 pin in the 5th frame. But then again, the 9th frame could have easily been a pocket 7-10 split, but the 7 pin slowly fell after being bumped by another pin. Just as importantly, I made all 3 of the single pin spares that I had in Game 1. Hopefully this performance will last the rest of this series. Once again, I feel like the Flying Messengers failed to do their jobs in the first frame of Game 2. Somehow pins flew all around the 7-pin, but nothing touched it. I could have easily started Game 2 with 4 strikes. In the 5th frame, the ball just got out a little too far to the right and started hooking hard off of the dry boards, which caused the ball to go through the nose of the pins. The 5th frame of Game 3 was almost identical to the 5th frame of Game 2. The ball just got out a little too far to the right and started hooking hard off of the dry boards, causing it to go through the nose of the pins. In the second rack of the 10th frame, the ball got out so far to the right that it couldn't make it back to the pocket. At least I had a good overall spare performance this session. I'm looking forward to starting the second quarter of the season off strong next week. For anyone that has made it this far into the video, I appreciate you watching.